Are you thinking about signing up with Smarty Trade but can't decide if it's a legit opportunity or just another online scam? Before you deposit a single dollar, watch this full review. It could save you time, money, and frustration. Smarty Trade is an online trading platform that claims to give users access to Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and CFDs. At first glance, the platform seems promising. The website looks modern, the interface is user-friendly, and some users even report a smooth trading experience. A few reviews appear genuine and praise the simplicity of the platform, which might make it attractive to beginners looking to enter the trading world. But once you start digging, things get murky. A growing number of users have complained about serious issues, withdrawals being delayed for weeks or even blocked entirely, accounts getting locked right after deposits are made, and suspiciously repetitive 5-star reviews from brand new accounts that look anything but authentic. Even worse, there are reports of users being constantly pressured by so-called account managers to deposit more money, with promises of higher returns that never materialize. When users try to contact support, they're often met with copy-paste, generic replies that don't resolve anything. I went through the full process myself, not just reading reviews, but testing how the platform actually behaves, and the results were eye-opening. While Smarty Trade isn't a total scam on the surface, the red flags are too significant to ignore. There's a lack of transparency, questionable review practices, and too many stories from real users pointing to a pattern of manipulation. If you're thinking of investing, be cautious. Platforms like this can look legit but still operate in ways that put your money at serious risk.